The dancehall, brethren. Taking healthcare into the dancehall. No, ladies and gentlemen, I started like that because he's a man of the hour, Dr. Trevor Dixon, who is the founder of JAHJAH Foundation at the 5th Gala here in Moonachie, New Jersey. I mentioned just now healing in the dancehall, the concept that has somewhat revolutionized how we deliver healthcare in Jamaica.
Yes, it was a concept that was born out of a relationship I had with Whitfield Henry Whitty from growing up in Brooklyn in East Flatbush, and we sat down and, you know, like most of our initiatives in Jamaica, we sit down with the people who are living there and asking them what works in Jamaica, and then we came up with the concept of healing in the dance hall. And I was grateful to have the boss from Bonita, Jamaica, Garvin Gray, buy into the idea. He came down there and he was able to video and capture all that we did in Jamaica. So if it wasn't a collaborative effort, it wouldn't have happened. And of course, you know, you're always by my side and it makes a big difference. No man's an island. D. Brown said no man stands alone.
Right.
Yes.
Tonight's Gala, I know you're glad back, boss. The singer sell-off from last year.
Well, you know,
a room full of people.
You know, I have to take my hat off to all these people who are here tonight because they believe in what we're doing. You know, we had a dream and they share the same dream. You know, so tonight is about the dream of a better Jamaica. Nesbitt is here. We're all here about the dream of a better Jamaica, and I think we can do it. Dr. Alfred Dawes is a true leader. He's proven to be a true leader, and I think we can lead us in the direction of change, you know, in a good way for all Jamaicans.
What's your take on the whole idea about representative of the diaspora sitting on healthcare boards in Jamaica?
Well, this is something that Dr. Dawes and I actually spoke about earlier today, and he is for it because he thinks here, we in the diaspora, we definitely have an advantage to see how healthcare is delivered from a different perspective, and working together we can only improve Jamaica's health system. I think they can learn so much more from us as we are in Jamaica learning from them also. Yeah.
Well, I want to say on behalf of Team Jamaica Bickle, we are quite pleased with our partnership and look forward to many more years, and good luck in all your endeavors, Dr. Trevor Dixon.
Likewise, Irwin, and thank you again for your support.
Sure. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is Irwine Clare. I gotta run now because yes, I have another function, but I had to be here tonight because JAHJAH Foundation stands for progress.
Yes.